Hi again guys, today we're going to go through Wi-Fi hacking, WPA2 hacking using a tool called Reaver. And what Reaver does is it exploits a protocol built into most modern Wi-Fi routers called WPS, or Wi-Fi protected setup. So this attack will only work on routers using WPS, which is Wi-Fi protected setup. And the way you can identify this is routers that have like a push button connect, or devices that say WPS enabled, and they let you just push a button and they'll communicate together, and you don't need to remember a password. So it was invented to make life easier, but it's an inherently vulnerable protocol. So the way it works is there are approximately 11,000 possible PIN numbers. They're 8-digit PIN numbers, and we're going to slowly work our way through all 11,000. So this attack, the positives are that it always works. Just takes a dependent amount of time. The negatives are that you have to remain within range of the Wi-Fi router. So today I'm using the latest build of Kali Linux in VMware Workstation 10. My Wi-Fi network adapter is a TP-Link TLWN722N, and the router that I'm attacking is a Belkin N600. It's a pretty old router, um, but it's also quite common. So first thing we need to do is targets, and the way we do that is we first need to put our Wi-Fi adapter into monitor mode, so you can see that my adapter is WLAN0. So we do airmon tac ng start WLAN0, and now we've got monitor mode enabled on mon0. Now what we need to do is we can see, using the aerodump tool, all the available Wi-Fi networks around us, and here you can see quite a few. Now this is going to be my target, and you can see I've called it test WPS, and I actually do not know what the password is. I tried to make this video about 3 months ago, but I had some issues with my Wi-Fi adapter, so I've got this saved, but I can't remember what I made the password. So what we need to do first is confirm that the Wi-Fi router we're trying to attack is using the WPS protocol. And the way we do that is we issue the command wash tac I mon0, and this will look for routers using WPS. Give it some time, and there you can see that this is using WPS. So what this means is that only the routers within shown in the wash window are available to be using WPS. So the one I'm going to attack is this one here. And you also need to look here and see if the WPS has been locked. So the really easy way to do it is we do Reaver tac I mon0 tac B, it's the BSS ID, and copy the BSS ID for your particular target. Then we do a tac capital S, tac tac no tac nax, tac D, which is the delay between attempts. Now I like to use a delay of about 5 to 7 seconds depending on the age of the router. So we use a 7-second delay, and this means between each attempt we'll wait 7 seconds. And then we do a tac VV, and also do a tac C for the channel, and the channel of my target is on channel 2. And then just press enter. So basically what this is going to do every 7 seconds is it's going to work its way down and work through every possible WPS pin. So this can take between 8 and 10 hours, depending on your luck, essentially. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to leave it running, and I'll come back once it's completed. Okay, we're back. Here you can see the Reaver output. You can see that the pin was cracked in about 5,000 seconds, which is like 80 minutes or something. Again, that's not a typical time. You should be expecting between 8 and 10 hours hacking time, depending on your luck and whatever the pin number is pre-configured on the router. Here you find the pin number, which is inside the router, as well as the pre-shared key, which is most important for connecting to the Wi-Fi network and logging in at a later date. Now, the important thing to note is that even if your victim realizes they're being hacked and sees that their internet usage has gone up or whatever, and they decide to change their Wi-Fi router password, if they do not change their WPS PIN number, which most people will not know how to do, all you need to do is rerun Reaver, use the tac P, and then enter in this as a command line argument, and it will instantly give you their new password regardless of what they changed it to. And that's one of the joys of Riva and one of the key dangers of having WPS enabled on your router. So what I'm trying to get across here is that if you have WPS enabled on your router, you should disable it immediately, because you can see how easy it is to hack a router like this. Just to show you that I am connected, I'm going to log in up here, put in my pre-shared key. Again, it's an old router, so it takes a little while to connect. But there you have it, I'm connected to the network. So this lets me browse the internet, download torrents if I like, or more importantly, connect to the router interface. Most people won't change their router administration password, and you could potentially run things like domain name spoofing, man-in-the-middle attacks, and credential harvesting. So again, the point of this video is if you have WPS enabled, please disable it, protect yourself, and as always, don't use this attack to hurt other people. Don't use it against routers that you're not authorized to access. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.